Okay, so we're at the Haksa beach in Macau. It's kind of the height of the coronavirus, but actually here it's not so bad because it's there's no active cases right now. And they got bathrooms right here. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. And they got bathrooms right there. And basically looks like a lot of people are taking their kids to the beach. Let's just see what we can see here. I did notice that, let's walk through here for real quick. There's, we're gonna walk down the beach in a minute. And then up here there's like food stalls. So it's gonna take a look real quick here. And actually, I don't know, there's one thing I noticed is they let's just see. I don't see as many masks in here. And people seem let's kind of walk through here real quick. Yeah, I guess I see some. When I first came in, there seemed like there wasn't as many masks. And maybe because they're eating, I guess. Maybe that's why. Probably so. Okay, we're gonna just go around the corner and go back to the beach and go check it out. The other thing I noticed too is people seem a lot louder here, so my first impression was like, oh, a lot of mainlanders are here. And that might be the case, or they're just excited. A lot of kids too, so it's hard to say. I guess whenever you have kids, it's always kind of loud anyways, right? So that's kind of the eating area. So we're gonna walk down. You can also walk all the way down there, so we might do that in a minute. And let's see, what's this at? This is at we'll just walk a little bit more. There's a trail down there, but the trail isn't really at the beach, so I'm gonna walk down. Yeah, this area looks like it's more common for kids and for eating. And you know how beaches usually have different areas, right? It's for different things. So let's go all the way down and see what we can see here. There's the beach. Okay. Well, let's walk down this way. Some kites up there flying, holes in the ground. So we'll just kind of see a couple kites going up there. Lots of kids playing all day, it looks like. So yeah, this is Haksa Beach, and it basically looks like it's mostly families and kids today. So I think what I'll do is I'm gonna turn this off and show you what looks like more later on. The sand is kind of a black sand. Okay, turn it on in a minute. Okay, so this is the other. I just kind of went up from the beach and into up here. So this is kind of a sitting area. So there's all these trees up here. People can enjoy each other's company. Again, mostly families. And I just wanted to show another side of it. So so originally I could have walked along that to get into this beach part, but instead I just walked down the beach. And I think we're just gonna show you. So you have people all the way down this way, and it's almost all families. And then he goes all the way down there, and this is a giant hotel. I think this hotel was a quarantine hotel for a little bit, I think, for the coronavirus. I don't know if it still is or not, but I think it might have been, because a lot of people aren't able to come in now, foreigners and tourists, so. Okay. Let's just see what else we can see. I'll turn on the camera again, but at least you get an idea of what this part is like too. Okay, so we're basically at the end of the beach. There's kind of like a mountains up there. You can go hiking up in there. That's that hotel. So this is a really well-known hotel that many people like to stay at. And then there's also all these right here are actual houses. People actually own those houses along the water. Quite expensive. If you go around, there's a kind of a little mountain area, like a little footpath that goes to some, kind of goes into endless spots. But it's kind of interesting. Yeah, so this is basically what the beach looks like, Haksa Beach. It's relatively quiet right now because it's coronavirus. I saw lots of families down there, and but I just wanted to kind of see what it was like haven't been here in a couple of years actually. But yeah. So anyways, that's Macau's beach right there. Okay, so it's about sunset. We're gonna close there. So but this is basically what this looks like. Yeah, actually I walked by some other people way down there that was looked like they were like kind of partying at the beach with some barbecue. I didn't want to film because they were sometimes people are kind of partying. They might be a little too social for me. You don't know what they're gonna. But anyways, this is Haksat Beach, and I guess this is also Fernando's. So there's the beach right here, and this is Fernando's, which is one of the most well-known Portuguese restaurants in the city. And there's some. I don't want to go in right now, but actually that's I guess you can see I don't really feel like getting involved in a conversation. And you can also buy like beer here and drink it at the beach. So a lot of people will do that, and all kinds of beach-related stuff. And then you can hop on the bus whenever you're ready. So anyways, that's it for this one. So thought I'd share that today.